style the contact page. Here we have the design that we have at the moment, and I'm using a plugin called Ninja Forms. You can click here on Forms, and here you have the form that we have at the moment. You can click here on Edit, and here you can add more fields and things like that. You can customize this form using this. So we're using a plugin, and that plugin is printing some classes, and we're gonna be using that classes, and I'm gonna add here a comment that says contact. The first, I'm gonna open the page.php, and here we can print something like contact page. So this will only be printed when we are in the contact page. So I'm gonna add div contact page, and you can add something like a margin top 50 pixels and reload, so we have more space on the top of this page. And you can see now it's working. So this plugin, and I'm gonna right click here so you can see better, outputs these Ninja Forms classes and IDs and things like that. You can see here we have a bunch of Ninja Forms classes. So you can use Ninja Forms required items. It's gonna be the selector for this, and I'm gonna add text align center. So we add center this horizontally. Then we add a margin bottom of 20 pixels. And finally, let's add a font size of 80 pixels. So let's save this and reload. And this is the section that we're styling. Next, I'm gonna add Ninja Forms form grab, and this is the grab for the form. I'm gonna add an input, copy this, paste, and I'm gonna add text area. So we have a height 40 pixels, and I'm gonna set this to important. Then we have a border, and I'm gonna add non-important also. Save this and reload. And now you can see we have each input has this height, but also the text area. So I'm gonna copy this, and I'm gonna add height maybe 200 pixels and important also. Reload. Now you can see we have a bigger text area. So this is looking great, and I'm gonna add Ninja form, and we're looking for the labels, and let me see the class exactly. And it's right here, this one. We're looking for this one. So I'm gonna remove this. Ninja form. And this is another class, label above. Then we target the label. And I'm gonna copy another comma here, copy this, and paste right here. And instead of having the text, I'm gonna change to text area, grab, label above, label. And I'm gonna change the font weight back to normal, because you can see here we have this in bold, and I want this to be normal. And finally, let's style this button. I can click here, and you can see that we have the selector right here. So you can copy this, and you can add Ninja Forms form grab. Then you add the input type submit, and we're gonna add a background color, and the background color comes from the Photoshop file. I can click here, get the color, copy, and add the color right there. Next, I'm gonna add a padding, take 10 pixels and 40 pixels. Font weight bold, text transform uppercase, and the color is gonna be FFF, so we have a white button right here. So now you can see it's looking better. This is the contact form, and well, a contact form using Ninja Forms, which is a really cool plugin that you can use. So I'm gonna go back to the home page, and you can see that I can't click here. I only can click here on home. So let's see how you can print the home page in your logo. So see you in the next video.